Hello friend, this is my YouTube channel IT Pro. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer. Thank you.
Today we will learn about Microsoft Excel 2007. Microsoft Excel is spreadsheet software widely used to perform mathematical calculations. The data is spread in a tabular form consisting of rows and columns. It provides built-in features and tools such as formulas, functions and data analysis tools that make it easier to work with large amount of data. Students, please note that dragging the Excel icon to the desktop will create its shortcut. MS Excel is most popular software that helps us to Number 1. Arrange data in an organized way. Number 2. Type less and get more. Number 3. Perform calculations. Number 4. Auto recalculation. Number 5. Auto format table. Number 6. Compare data through chart. Number 7. Sort data for better analysis. Number 8. Compare two workbooks side by side. Alright students, can you quickly explain some important features of MS Excel? Now let's learn how to start MS Excel. To start MS Excel, perform the following steps. Click on Start button, then go to All Programs, then go to Microsoft Office, then go to Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Let me now share a fact with you. To exit from the Microsoft Excel application, click on Close option on the Office button drop-down menu. Let us now talk about Workbook and Worksheet. When you start Excel, you open a file which is called a workbook. It is like a notebook that has number of pages in it. Each new workbook comes with 3 worksheets, like pages in a document known as sheet tabs. They can be seen at the bottom left of the workbook window. These are named as Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. Okay, let's have a quick quiz. What is the other name of a worksheet? And one more question. How many sheet tabs are present at the bottom of a workbook window by default? Data is entered into the worksheet. You can add additional worksheets if you need more than 3. Data can be viewed in a worksheet by clicking on its Sheet tab. Having learned so much, can you differentiate between a workbook and a worksheet? A worksheet is divided into rows and columns. Okay, let me explain columns. Each column has an alphabetical heading at the top. The first 26 columns have the letters from A through Z, then AA through AZ, and carrying up to XFD. Each worksheet contains 16,384 columns. Let us understand rows. Each row also has a heading. Row headings are numbers ranging from 1 to 1048576. Now let's understand what a cell is. A cell is a space which is formed by the intersection of one row and one column. Each small rectangle in a spreadsheet is called a cell. Let me now tell you what a cell reference is. The heading of a column and a row combines to form the cell address, also called the cell reference. 2 small buttons appears to the left of the formula bar. The cancel button can be used to cancel the data entry. The enter button works like an enter key. Let us now talk about cell pointer. A cell pointer is a highlighted cell boundary that indicates which cell is active at the moment. Okay, now let me share an interesting fact with you. The tab scrolling buttons to the left of Sheets tabs let you move through the tabs quickly. Alright, let us now find out how to enter data in Excel. You can enter two types of data in worksheet cells, number and text. Click on the cell where you want to enter the data. Type your data into the cell. Press the Enter key to move the pointer down by one cell. Press the Tab key to move to next adjoining cells towards right. Click on the cell B1 and type Pocket Money Expenses. Press the Enter key. Click on the cell A3 and type Items. Press the Tab key and type Date. Press the right arrow key and type Amount. Click on the cell A4 and type Patty and press the Enter key. Similarly, type rest of the given items and data.
Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you will like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.